By volume, animal feed is mostly made of grains, like corn, and oilseeds, like soy. These ingredients and their supply chains are, of course, essential to animal production. But animal feed also contains vital ingredients used in much smaller volumes, ingredients which are even more interesting from a supply chain perspective: feed additives. To help compensate for the nutrients that animals can't get from macro ingredients like corn and soy, feed producers include feed additives, such as minerals, amino acids, vitamins, and maybe specialty or functional feed additives as well. The first three are commodity feed additive categories we quote prices for. Minerals are, of course, mined, and some, like phosphates, are only naturally found in a few countries worldwide. Meanwhile, amino acids and vitamins are made either using chemical synthesis or fermentation, depending on the product. This means that, especially for the synthesized products and rarer minerals, keeping an eye on the supply chain is extremely important. Just look at what happened to the price of vitamin A when a chemical intermediate became unavailable because of an industrial accident. Beyond the commodities, there are specialty or functional feed additives. This is a diverse group including enzymes, yeasts, plant-based additives, and plenty more. A major driver of the specialty feed additive category was the move away from antibiotics in feed in order to slow the development of antimicrobial resistance. Today, producers in many parts of the world instead use additives which help make the feed more digestible, support good gut health, and promote animal productivity. Keeping animals healthy makes farms more profitable and reduces the need for therapeutic antibiotics. After animal feed additives are manufactured, they might then be included in premix, which is a combination of different additives. The responsibility of the premix manufacturer is to source various different microingredients in order to produce a safe and homogeneous blend which meets specific animals' nutritional needs. For example, young animals might require different levels of a particular vitamin than older ones, so the levels in premix for young animals would reflect that. Finally, we have the feed millers or compound feed manufacturers. These might be independent operators or part of a vertically integrated farm which makes feed for its own animals. The feed producers transform the feed ingredients, like corn or soybean meal, and the feed additives, whether obtained directly from a supplier or in premix form, into finished feed that is ready for local animals to eat. So it turns out that animal feed made and consumed locally is, in many cases, actually linked into global supply chains.